Hi, I'm Lion Pit, and this is a tutorial on how you can make explosions and other muzzle flashes for your videos. These are a couple here that I downloaded from the battle pack. Just showing you them. That's a cannon, smoke. You could use it as a shotgun. I will use probably in upcoming videos. You can edit them, put them in your hands, fire here. So if your character is running and the ground hits, like people are shooting at the ground, another ground hit. This one, I have no clue what it is, that's it the whole time. This one, I don't know, it's just a bit of smoke. This is the front root Muzzle Flash. I'll never use it. This is the one I use a fair amount. And that's what you get from the battle pack. It's all free on stopmotionmagazine.com. What you do is, well, that's all you really need to type in. And as soon as you're there, all you have to do is click on free stuff, and it'll bring you to this battle pack thing. You right click it, download linked file as, and make sure it says where, make sure that says desktop. Then you hit save. I already downloaded it. Right here is where you can get your sounds for your videos on findsounds.com. All you gotta do is search for machine gun. Just type that in. So from here, you can choose one that you like. So I'll choose this one. It's a Thompson. You can't really hear it. And what you do is when you finally find it, oops, right click, download linked file as Thompson. Make sure that says desktop. Save it. Minimize your stuff, and there it is. All you gotta do is click play. Oops, sorry. Just click play, listen to it. What you can do is you can open up your iMovie and then click your thing and just drag it into where you'd like it, and let go. And I already posted that on YouTube. It'll just play in your gunshot. That's about it. Before I forget, I will show you how to actually add it in to iMovie. So you'll go over and you'll go over to iMovie. Oh, I'm editing it for the video right now. And I'll just put it in this. I'll just choose this clip. And well, what you do is, sorry about this. You'll take it, you'll click it, and you'll drag it over to the thing. I just named it shooting. To make those things, just click file, move, and just trying to find the muzzle flash right now. Here, oh, there it is. And what you do then is you click on it. 1 second. You take it, you click on it, and you drag it over to where you want it in your movie. And so I'll have it right there. Make sure you click picture in picture. And that's it, this box will come up. You just move it. And just move it to where you want. And oh yes, for some reason this will not work in iMovie. I mean, like when you click play to make it bigger or whatever, what happens is it stops working, but it will work smoothly, play smoothly as soon as it is on YouTube. That's about it. Thanks.